Today, we made Black Tartan Kilt. Before we start making this masterpiece, having all the accessories to make it is essential. The first step is always to choose the fabric, which is black tartan today. The following part is to make a simple apron, leaving the edges rough. The next step involves marking and pinning the pleats, then stitching across the top to secure them inside the kilt. When all these parts are sewed, cut the loops to fasten the kilt. Cut the fabric for the waistband now and sew it to the apron and pleats. Another way to securely fit the kilt is to attach 3 leather. We attach 2 of them on the right side and the remaining one on the left side. Lastly, we ensure the fit is perfect by adjusting the straps and testing the kilt's comfort and durability. With everything in place, the kilt is ready to wear.